Ano ibig sabihin ng to catch someone red-handed? Ibig sabihin ba literal na pula yung mga kamay nila? Well, hindi. Pero to catch someone red-handed means to catch someone in the act. Yung mahuli mo sila na ginagawa yung isang bagay na hindi mabuti. Now, medyo fascinating yung etymology or yung pinanggalingan nitong kasabihan na ito. Scottish ang roots nito and literal na kaya red-handed, it's because of blood. Someone who is, sabihin natin, hunting sa panahon na hindi dapat nag-hunt, has blood on their hands, and you will catch them red-handed. Pero syempre, hindi lang pang hunting to ha. Kahit anong krimen ngayon, kung mahuli mo sa akto, you will catch them red-handed. So, we could say something like, the manager returned to the office just in time to catch the thief red-handed. Bumalik yung manager sa office, sakto-sakto, nahuli niya. Sa akto, yung magnanakaw. Probably ng pagkain sa ref. Yan ang idiom natin for today. Kung gusto niyo pa ng iba, meron tayong playlist dito at full videos rin sa aking channel. Pakihanap na lang. I'll see you next time.